It's amazing. He's a beautiful looking batsman, but his bowling action is fairly unusual, unorthodox.
It's an action that suggests he can bowl the Kohli. Would you rather be just a Kohli kind of bowler?
Virat Kohli has not put a foot wrong while he's been batting for India in this ICC World 2020. The whole of India will hope that he doesn't put a hand wrong, because he's going to have the ball in his hand. Straight up in the air. Is it going to be a catch? Yes, it is a catch! There is nothing that Virat Kohli can.
Bowled him. It's all happening out there for Virat Kohli. Javed will be relieved. There he is. Doesn't often smile. It's a good wicket for India.
Yeah, Rahul Dravid went straight up to him, said thank you very much. First one-day wicket for Virat Kohli, and Rahul Dravid feels a lot better. England's one-day captain's gone for 50.
Some batsmen like the pace on the ball. They like to face the quick men and not the dibblies. Bowler him, he's got a wicket now! It didn't look any quicker, but it was a good length, it was a Yorker, and it was good.
Straight to extra cover. Timing has jumped pretty well.
It's a great piece of fielding there at extra cover. KL Rahul.
He actually had to
to his left.
in West Indies favour. Bit of fun by KL Rahul. So and it was heavy left from his quota, but MS Dhoni had decided this.
Time to get some wickets, and as you probably hear over the effects box, the Indian natives are absolutely loving it.
And a well played to him. Here it is, it's an absolute half tracker. Kohli's nearly landed that on his own feet, and he's already bemused. He can't believe he's got a wicket with that, and Harry Nielsen gives him a bit of a pat on the back, saying, as if you didn't have enough attention already, Virat, here you go. I wonder if that celebration will be broken during the Test series when he score another ton or two. He was absolutely ecstatic, and look at all his teammates, they know it.